TC buys a new car, Spice celebrate Graci Noir first anniversary, and Shenseea birthday celebration continues.
I don't know what the hell is this one. Sounds like something's in it. God damn. What's this? No money? No money? Who sent me this? Who sent me no money?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, I want to say a big congratulations to TC on purchasing her new car. I want to say our first car, but people may not know facts, even though I'm kind of like 90% sure. So if you don't know about that, you tell me down in the comment section if this is our first car. I think it is though. But people, you know, we see the dolly them a move up, you know what I mean? We see Rebel buy our car some time ago, and now we see TC by fear car, right? And I go tell you what she say in the caption. Little bit down, I want to talk a little bit more about it, right? So once again, big up TC. You know what I mean? She never posts a whole lot about it. She just make her fans them know, say yeah, the support it reaches. So you see me, new car on the block or new whip, right? So like I said, I'm going to talk about that in a second. But people, we know say yesterday at Shenseea birthday, I'm showing some video clips from like when them wake her up and also 1 and 2 gifts what she have. But we don't know what the thing go. Gifts are coming galore. She even go up on a boat, you know what I mean? She and Raj and our manager, that are the other one, the foreign one, right? So I have some clips to show no. She have a nice cake, people, a Fendi cake, right? They make it like a Fendi handbag and what is a cake, you see me? So I have them clips there for showing you. So without any further ado, take a look at these. Here goes.
Hey. Trying to open the purse, but nah.
My money in there.
Oh shit, it can actually open. That's fucking crazy. That's lit. My cake, guys.
You know, it's crazy. Sounds called me Drizzy for like.
I have to. That's the only thing I'm coming for.
Happy birthday, Mama.
You eating off my cake, though.
I love it.
Thank you, baby. Why your mouth open, yeah? Why your mouth open? Open your mouth.
Yeah.
Ah, that's my gift. Let me see what's up in here.
We're on a boat. Mom, show them. That's it.
Definitely outstanding. Ooh. Thank you, everybody. Oh, and I got this cake from Pretty Little Thing. Thank you, Pretty Little Thing. And this, I'm in love with this one. Well, I'm in love with all of them, but oh, this one does something to me. What's this? Who sent this? I didn't read this note yet. I'm gonna revisit. Oh, Shenyang did it for me. Thank you. It's so beautiful. No lie. I got something to put in my new place.
Yeah, people, so we see what I go out with Shenseea, and we know that she have a lot more gift to get, right? And she not only get gift from her fans them, but the people them, the companies them will sponsor her as well. Like yesterday we see she get a gift from Carib, and now today we see she get a gift from Pretty Little Thing, right? And we know say a whole heap of Shenseea and wait for she just pop up and for them location where them can give her for them gift, right? So we know say this I go continue for a while. Let's say at least 2 to 3 weeks may I give it. If we know say it will go longer, but just say that. You see me? And last night was a very interesting night for me because, you know, I was on live. I was on Facebook Live and also YouTube Live. But on YouTube now, my figure say, you know, on Shenseea birthday, so I just chop it up with the Shenyang them. And it turned out pretty good. You see me? I say big up everybody who did up on the live last night. When I really that participate, it was really good and fun for me as well as I'm sure it was fun for y'all, right? So no big up on yourself, big up every Shenyang. Now people like me say me want to talk a little bit more about TC car. So like me I say congrats to TC. Now people, this means a lot to me. Not because me just jump on everything and rare. I really follow TC Rebel, Nikki Chromas, Danny Boo, pretty much all the female dancer them are you know what I mean, influencers them in that little group there. You know, nowadays them different still, but at one point all of them they group in as friends. And at them people let me start post as Dancehall IG, at them me start out with. I'ma watch them grow up people from who they were to who they are now. So to me, it means a lot. Remember when Nikki Chromas buy our first car as well, you see me, I say me pretty much document our whole life. We hope to the surgery, all of that. You see me, I say, remember when she go shop now and buy the whole heap of furniture them and all of that. The people that we are following by YouTube long time, they know what me I talk about. So definitely, me just proud for see, say, you know what I mean, them just elevate said we and them debut here. You know what I mean? There was a lot more of them where we used to post and follow where now do it again. So the one them we left and the one them where I do it right like TC and Rebel them, I have to big them up. You see what I mean? I say just more love. And big up Nikki Chromas too, cause like me say people, she bust my channel cause me used to post Nikki just crazy. Like people used to know say if they want to see Nikki Chromas I go out with herself, come a dancer like G channel. You see me? So she give me a whole heap of out, so big her up for that. Now people are talking about Graci Noir. So Graci Noir turns 1 year old, you know what I mean, yesterday, and Spice is having a sale. So if you're not rock Spice brand yet and you want to get some, it's the best time to get it right now because she have sale and she extend the sale. So check out our Instagram for the code. Me remember exactly what the code is, so you can shop at Graci Noir and you can buy, you know what I mean, the nice clothing them where Spice have. She have posted hard from yesterday, you know what I mean, and I make everybody know, say, yeah, the sale is on. So people, big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time on this channel, like this video, please subscribe. Everybody will just subscribe. Thank you. You know what I mean? Welcome to the family. Big up everybody. Thank you for the support.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!